How to use Netflix Teleparty. So let's get started. First of all, open the Google web browser or in Microsoft Edge, then search for the Netflix Party or Teleparty. Since this add-on is only compatible with Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome, you will need to use one of those browsers to continue. Now click Install Teleparty. After you do so, click Add to Chrome or Get. You will see this blue button on the right side of the page across from the extension's name and rating. Click Add Extensions when prompted to continue. You should see a TP next to your address bar where you'd see your other extensions if you have any. Now, once done so, navigate to the Netflix. Tap on the New tab option available at the top. Then go to the Netflix Sign In and sign in to your Netflix account. Tap on the Sign In button available at the top right corner. Then enter your email address and password. And once signed in, navigate to the video you want to watch. Then simply click the extension icon. It looks like TP in the extension toolbar that is at the top of your page to the right of the address bar. Then click on the Start the Party. You can also click to toggle the switch next to Only I Have a Control if you don't want others in your party to be able to pause, skip, rewind or stop what's on the screen. Lastly, you'll have to share the party. Click Copy Party from the drop-down menu. Initially create the party or access the link from the chain icon in the top right corner of the Teleparty. And when you share the link, those who want to join your party need to enter that web address in the web browser. Once they get to that page, they will need to sign in to the streaming service that you are using. Then click the extension icon to join the party. So, if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.